Today we're going to talk about making butter at home.
First, we have to separate
the fat from the milk.
And then we put that fat or cream into the blender and start blending.
Loud. It's so loud. And let's have a dance party with the blender.
After 2 to 5 minutes, you'll begin to see the butter start separating from the buttermilk. And then once it's all completely separated, you can take it out of the blender and then start squeezing the remaining buttermilk out. And then after, you put it in some ice water for a couple minutes and take it out, put some salt and eat.
But back in the days, they didn't have blenders. If they wanted to stop, they couldn't. And now we're shake. And it's time to add the butter on.
So we actually went to a historic museum in which they taught us how to make butter by hand without the use of a blender. And we got to make our own butter and eat it with some delicious banana nut bread.
But they already made it, the banana nut bread. We only made the butter. And then I ate it like a chipmunk.